up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back for another, I guess, kind of another how-to video, because in today's video, we are going to be lowering the Skyline. But first, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help support me. I really appreciate it. But let's check out what we're going to be doing. So, the plan here is to lower the back ever so slightly. The front is all the way down, like I mentioned in my other videos. The back, I need it just a slightly bit lower. Not sure how well you guys can see that in the shade here. It all started when I had 3 people in the car the other day, and the back end was just like ever so slightly lower. It looks so good. It looks so good. Now, for a lot of you car guys out there, you probably know where I'm coming from, because I'm only going to be lowering it probably like, you know, very little, and most people are not going to notice at all, but I'm going to notice, so we're definitely going to do it. So as per usual on this channel, we're going to have to move some cars around first. It is another scorching hot day here in Florida, so it should be fun. So anyway, let's get a Subaru cold start. So this is a startup of a 2013 WRX with a CNT catted downpipe and nameless axleback muffler deletes. Let's do it. Ultimately, we do actually have to wash the Subaru too. It's really dirty. Got a lot of, you know, bugs and stuff all on the front. So we're gonna wash the Subaru. However, first things first, let's get the jams going. Alexa, play 98 Rock.
98 Rock Station from iHeartRadio.
Thank you. All right. Now, if you guys missed the first one and you guys happen to miss the second one in a video that I posted like 2 videos ago, well, you guys are in luck, because I'm starving and it's time for a food vlog, and we're going to get some food, and we're going to be taking the Skyline. So you know what that means. You know what it means, guys. Drive-through V3. No reactions guaranteed. Let's go. Wow. All right, guys. So we are gonna be rolling. Ooh, hear that baby purr. So admittedly, guys, right now I am at like a 60-40 ratio with these drive-throughs. So if we don't get a reaction today, it's gonna bump down my ratio to 50-50. I'm not gonna be happy about it. I don't think you guys are gonna be happy about it, but it may happen. So I don't know. Look at that thing. What is that, a Q3? This thing, it looks good, man. If you guys are watching this video, that is props right there. That thing looks mean. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Try to zoom in a little bit more, but it's got a nice stance going on. I think that's it's a SQ5. All right, yeah, clean, very clean. So today we're choosing the good old McDonald's. I've had a taste for McDonald's for like 2 weeks. I don't know why, but we're getting McDonald's. Yeah. Most people are.
Is it harder driving that way?
A little bit. You get used to it. Yeah. Thanks. It's pretty cool, bro. I like that. Thanks. Appreciate it. Oh, thank you. All right, my ratio stands. Actually got a little bit better. The reactions everywhere. Did I mention it is like 105 degrees? I'm dying. I think we gotta go AC, guys. I know you car guys, we don't do AC, but I'm gonna have to do the AC. Oh, so hard to do. So hard to do. Wow, man, so hot. So I don't want to be rude, so I'm going to chow this down and catch up with you guys in like, I don't know, like 2 minutes. Ho, ho, ho. All day, baby, all day. So the moment you guys have been waiting for this whole video, and that is now we're going to jack up the Skyline, and we're going to lower a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys how to adjust coilovers to give your car that perfect stance. I do think Aaron is coming over like any minute or something. I think that's gonna happen. We'll see if he comes over. So yeah, let's do it. There's only one thing left to do, and that is to turn on this fan. Because it is quite warm, quite warm. Oh, look who showed up here with the Impreza.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
What's up? Look at what we got here. Oh yeah, some black wheels. They actually look pretty good. They're painted, right?
Yeah, just
actual paint.
Black paint.
Look pretty good. So
they're a glossy paint, not a matte black.
Not bad. Makes it look better. So I think in today's video we should probably do what?
We're gonna take the car to the shop and get it straight piped.
No,
just kidding.
No, we're just kidding. We're not gonna straight pipe the video. But if you guys haven't checked that video out, you probably should, because it's a good video. Probably should check it out. So we got the wheel off here. So that's what most coilovers should look like there. So there's gonna be 3 rings. The bottom ring is going to be your lock ring, which is the one you're going to have to loosen up. The top one is going to be your preload. Generally, if it's already set, you're not going to want to touch this one at all. And this ring here is going to be the ring that you're going to actually turn to raise and lower your coilovers. As you can see here, I have much room to stance. All right, so now that we've loosened
some better lighting.
Huh? It's a bad light?
Yeah, because now you can.
It's focused?
It's focused on you. You can't see the coilover.
And then zoom in. Aaron's a terrible cameraman. Hey, what do you, no. There. So yeah, as you can see, we have this loosened right now. That's about how far I'm gonna lower it. So now we are going to turn the top one, basically until this goes all the way down, tighten it, and then we're gonna have the ultimate stance. Oh yeah. So we lowered it down, I locked this up. So now it's important when you're doing the other side to measure the threads to make sure that they're both even. I already measured it out. It's at about 2 1/8, so we're gonna do the other side to the same exact spec.
All right, Steve, show us the proper way to use a spanner wrench.
I think this is it, right here. Trigger the squad. I'm only doing that because the aftermarket stance camber arms I have will not allow me to fit this spanner wrench in there.
Show them how close it is.
Yeah, you can't really turn it and it won't work that way.
Looks like that.
And this is from, 240 parts on a Skyline. So, however, we have the technology.
It's still righty.
You know what? Don't worry about it. I don't see you doing any work over here.
It's called supervising. New stance is wicked, Steve.
It's badass. We put a little bit more camber in than I wanted to, but let's check it out. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Camber gang, bro. Camber gang. Check out this fitment. Go on, check it out on this side. Look at that fitment. Hell yeah.
Nice and tucked.
If the squad is triggered again, we're sorry.
I'm not sorry.
All right, so we'll put it on for real.
Okay.
For what? Yep. Moment of truth. Let's check it out.
How are we looking?
Not bad, not bad. Definitely did a little bit. Is that all the way?
Yeah.
All right. No, it definitely did. It wasn't a lot. It was just over 1/8 of an inch. So as you can see now, the actual top of the tire is actually inside the wheel well, where before it was just sitting on top. So that's pretty much the only difference.
That's okay.
Same with this side. And yep, it's exactly the same, just ever so slightly tucked there. So I think it did its job. I can't really go any lower than that. It's gonna rub, but Stance Nation, where are you at, Stance Nation? Right there.
Hold on. Show them the stance.
Stance Nation, right there.
Look at this fitment.
Look at that fitment right there. You know what? I can fit the camera and the tripod almost underneath the car.
You can probably fit them in the wheel well.
Maybe. I don't want to get my camera dirty. Stance Nation. Soon.
Don't you do.
You're doing the outro.
All right, guys. I hope you guys learned something today. First of all, proper spanner wrench technique, A+, all right?
A+.
Stance gang, we were A++.
Only for a few minutes, and then we put it back to normal, but we still were camera gang for a few minutes.
Absolutely. So thank you guys for liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that bell for the notifications.
Like squad, I know you're out there, hit that like button, do what this guy said, subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.